Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Syntactic Sugar in Cyclone RPA Designer. Syntactic Sugar is a special syntax within the programming language that are easier and clearer in expressing. It increases programming efficiency without sacrificing performance. If you have coding background, we highly recommend Syntactic Sugar to simplify your process designing and development. Syntactic Sugar expressions function like process nodes, which means that they can reduce the number of nodes and make the process easier to read and manage. For example, the node substring can get a part of a string with specified starting and ending index. There is also a Syntactic Sugar expression that provides the same function. We can choose either way to achieve the result. In process design, Syntactic Sugar expressions are most commonly used in data processing and data type converting, such as substring, getting the length of an array, converting datetime into string, and so on. Syntactic Sugar mainly has the following capabilities. First, each node in the designer has its Syntactic Sugar expression counterpart. The expression here is equivalent to the getCurrentDate node in functionality. Next, member functions are functions that can be related to a certain variable, such as getting the length of an array. To get an element from an array or a value from an object, we can also use Syntactic Sugar expressions. Lastly, Syntactic Sugar can also be used to execute arithmetical operations just by typing in the mathematical expression. There are two ways for us to quickly find the expression that best suits our demand. First, if we already know the variable in need of processing, we can type in the variable name, then add a dot. Then a list of available Syntactic Sugar would appear. If we want to substring, we can type in substring and add a pair of parentheses. When the cursor is in the parentheses, a hint would guide us to fill in the required parameters. The second way is to first find the function and fill in the related parameters. To find the function, type Cyclone in the expression editor and add a dot. Then select the function and in the parentheses specify the starting and ending index. Note that the functions listed here are in the same layout as they are in the function node library. These two methods are equally effective. Choose whichever you like. Let's dive into a demo to experience a more complicated use of Syntactic Sugar. In this task, we are going to separate the file name from the whole file path. Following the steps below, we can use functionals to design the process. First, split the file path string into an array, and then get the array length, and get the element we want. However, using Syntactic Sugar, we can combine all nodes into one expression. Syntactic Sugar expressions greatly simplify the process. However, if you write everything in Syntactic Sugar, it may be hard to later modify and maintain the process, since the readability is limited because the nodes are too few. Therefore, a proper combination of nodes and Syntactic Sugar expressions is recommended in process development. And that concludes this video on Syntactic Sugar. Be sure to check out the videos and our website for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.